Hey, you two. We're going upstairs to fix up the rooms for the guests. Remember, no football in the house.
No football in the house. Check.
And stay out of the kitchen. I don't want you guys messing anything up.
Bam! Table set.
You know what that means? Football!
Dude, did you not hear what Benson said? No football in the house.
He didn't say anything about foam football in the house.
Dude, time to go long.
Yeah!
The kitchen!
Phew. Good thing this child safety gate was here.
It took forever to get these pups.